How to fix error that says due to repeated failed attempts or unusual activities, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back here with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the temporarily disabled error on your Snapchat. So now let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Safari, or any web browser is fine, and search for Snapchat support. After you search for it, go to the first link, and after you do so, just let it take its time to load and scroll down till you find Contact Us. Tap on Contact Us, and there you will see on the second option, tap on I can't access my account. And after you do so, if you scroll down, you will see on the third option, my device is banned or temporarily disabled. Now, this might not be necessary, just select the one which relates to your error message the most. Just tap on it, and there you will see different fixes right there. So here you will see, if you see an error message like SS06, when you try to log in or create the account, this might be because you have violated their terms and conditions. So Snapchat support can't unban it for you, but if you want to access your data, what you need to do is go to your desktop and go to account.snapchat.com, click on My Data, select your data and include the data which you want to download, choose the range of data you'd like to receive, and confirm your email address. After you tap on Submit, Snapchat will send a link with your data and you can download your data from there. So yeah, that is how you can do it guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.